Dear learners, welcome to NIOS, the video series. The subject is Home Science, lesson number 17. The title is Consumer Education. We have discussed about it. Part 1 and Part 2 has been discussed in this chapter. Watch those videos. Hope you learn and enjoy. The first and second part I will summarize now. Consumers always must be educated. They must know their consumer right. They all have the right and responsibilities. So we have discussed about it in the chapter. Consumers should always know what to buy, where to buy, when to buy, how much to buy. Should be well prepared and then go and shopping. Without preparation, you can be in the loss. So be wise when you're shopping. You all have consumer rights. Avoid black marketing. Whenever you're experiencing, whenever you're seeing this happening, take a case. Take up a stand and inform the authorities. You all have the right. You all have the consumer right. The government has provided this law. Black marketing should be stopped and we should feel safe about our shopping responsibilities. You should always get the bill, the warranty guarantee card. That is your responsibility. So take a check on that and also tell your friends and family about consumer education. The consumer should always be aware. Hopefully you will be able to understand more now. So part 3 of this lesson will be an activity. You have to tell me the answers of the questions now that you have learned from the chapters. I will sign the question first, then you will write the answer in your notebook. Once you have written it, then I will sign both answer and question. Then you can check if your answer is right or not. Let's begin. Questions now. So all of us consumers, we have consumer rights. I will be telling you some rights. Tell me if they are right or not. Choose the ones that are consumer rights. Okay? Let's begin. Right to get discount. Right to choose. Right to safety. Right to free home delivery. Right to be heard. Right to standardized products. Right to information. Right to technology. Right to communicate. Right to consumer education. Right to computer education. Right to redressal. Right to return. So all these things that I have explained to you, there are 12 rights which I told you. Think which are the consumer rights and write down in your notebooks. Written? Now let me give you the question and the answer. What were the consumer rights? Let me tell you the answer. Out of the 12, we have picked out the right ones. What is it? Right to choose, right to safety, right to be heard, right to information, right to consumer education, right to redressal. So these are the consumer rights that all of you all have, under which you can file your cases. Hopefully you all learnt in this class and enjoyed the class. Thank you.